In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off pop-up notifications in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're getting inundated with notifications or just want a more streamlined workspace, disabling these pop-ups can help you maintain better focus throughout your day. To start, launch Microsoft Teams on your device. Once it's up, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot your profile picture. It might be a photo, your initials, or a generic silhouette icon, depending on what you've chosen for your account. Click on this profile picture and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you want to look for the option labeled Settings and give that a click. Now that you're in the settings, look over to the left-hand side of the panel. You should see a list of different categories. Locate and click on Notifications. This section is where you can fine-tune all the noise coming from Teams. You'll see that notifications are grouped into categories such as Chat, Meetings, People, and Teams and Channels. Each of these gives you the flexibility to choose how you want to be notified. For each category, you have three main options for notification styles. Now, the first option is Banner and Feed, which is the default setting. This means you'll receive a pop-up banner, and the alert will also appear in your activity feed. If you want to reduce interruptions but still stay in the loop, consider selecting Only Show in Feed. This will send alerts directly to your activity feed without those pesky pop-ups. Finally, if you want to silence notifications altogether, for a specific category, select Off. Remember, this means you won't receive any alerts at all for that activity. For many, opting for the Only Show and Feed option strikes a great balance. You'll still get notified in your activity feed without the constant pop-ups vying for your attention. This way, you can check updates at your convenience without missing any crucial information or disrupting your workflow. And that's all there is to it. With these simple adjustments, you can fine-tune your Microsoft Teams notifications to better suit your work style and preferences. By controlling the influx of notifications, you can focus on what truly matters. Thank you for joining me in learning how to manage your notifications in Microsoft Teams. I hope this helps you create a more productive environment and allows you to make the most out of your workday. If you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Take care and see you next time.